Ladies and gentlemen, the results are in. I just want to show you the results I've gotten in the last 12 days utilizing this exact funnel that Builderall is promoting here. It's the viral funnel business. Basically, I'm promoting this. I'm actually utilizing solo ads and promoting it on different Facebook pages. Here are my exact earnings in the last 12 days. You can see here $271 is on hold. That means that several people have upgraded to the full-on Business Pro account. I've requested $64.45 and I've been paid out $170.70. Again, this is in the last 12 days. This is phenomenal. You can see here I have several different Builderall Business trials. So when they convert, if they convert, I'll get paid 100% commissions on that, plus a 30% monthly residual. On top of that, on the second tier, I'll get 30% of whatever they sell. So I have, again, pages and pages of people utilizing this and trying out the free trial. And again, I just wanted to show you the results that I've gotten so far with this fantastic business opportunity. So if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you. If you want to get signed up for the Builderall Business free account, costs $0. You'll actually get 50% of everyone that upgrades and activates to the Builderall Business Pro, and then 30% monthly residual. If you want to upgrade to the Pro, you pay $49.90 monthly, and then you will actually be able to get 100% of the direct sales plus 30% monthly residual, and then you will also be able to get paid on the second tier 30% monthly residual as well. Again, the links are going to be below for you to sign up for the free account. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much.